Hi, my name is Nick Chavez. I'm an immigration attorney with Chavez and Valko, your key to immigration solutions. Well, today I want to give you a few updates on what's happening with the various immigration agencies in light of the coronavirus. It might be that you have an application pending with immigration or you're just about to file one, and you might be wondering, well, what's going to happen to my case, right? Well, things right now, they are moving fast. They're constantly being updated and changed in response to this crisis, which is why it's important to stay on top of these developments. So first off, USCIS. And USCIS is the agency in charge of handling applications for immigration benefits and citizenship. It has announced that it's suspending all of its in-person interviews and appointments until May 4th. It previously had set April 7th as the target date, but now that's moved to May 4th. It also will be automatically rescheduling those interviews when things go back to normal. But they are still accepting these applications and they're processing them. So if you want to file your application, you can still do so. Some good news, USCIS is trying its best to adjust, and they're trying to be more flexible regarding their deadlines in light of what's happening. So if you receive a notice from USCIS requesting more information or documents by a certain date, and that notice is dated, very importantly, that notice is dated between March 1st to May 1st, 2020, then you could have an additional 60 days to respond to that notice on top of your deadline. But it's very important to check to see if your case qualifies for those additional 60 days. Not all immigration deadlines are going to be covered under this new policy. You can check our Facebook page. I believe we posted a link to that information not too long ago. Or you can feel free to send me a message for that link, and I'll be happy to share it with you. Another update, the U.S. consular offices abroad, they have also limited their operations outside the U.S. For example, the U.S. consulate in Ciudad Juarez is a consulate that is well known. It's heavily trafficked and we're involved with on a day-to-day basis. Well, they will not be conducting visa interviews until further notice. So if you filed your visa application and still waiting for an interview, then you might have to wait a little bit longer for an interview to be scheduled, unfortunately. On a related note, the CBP, and this is the agency in charge of the border, it has announced that it's restricting traffic to only essential traffic, at least for 30 days. So we will keep you posted on that as well. Interestingly, the immigration courts have been somewhat slow in their response to this crisis, but the good thing is recently they announced that all non-detained hearings will be postponed until May 1st, 2020. So if you have a court date and you're not detained, well, then check for that. Detained hearings, however, will continue as they normally do. So these are my updates for now. To get the latest news about these changes or other immigration news, please don't forget to like our page. You can also stay updated by downloading our app called Law Pilot Guardian, by texting Guardian to 555-888. This is an application that my law partner and I created. It has an emergency button feature and a host of other things. So check it out. If you have any immigration questions or want a consultation, please remember we're here and we're open and we're here to help. And we're also doing the consultations over the phone or by video. We're doing it by Skype, with WhatsApp, what other format, just to accommodate you. So till then, be safe out there. Remember to wash your hands, practice social distancing. Together we can beat this thing. So bye for now.